गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट्स. तुम्हा सगळ्यांना माहीत आहे की आपण रानामध्ये जात असतो, आपण जंगलामध्ये जात असतो, जंगलामध्ये फेरफटका मारत असतो आणि आपल्याला विविध प्रकारचे पक्षी दिसत असतात. वी ऑब्झर्व द डिफरंट टाईप ऑफ बर्ड्स. आपण वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे पक्षी आपण पाहत असतो आणि त्या पक्षाचा रंग कोणता, तो पक्षी किती उंच उडत असेल, तो पक्षी जर उंच उडत नसेल तर तो का बरं उडत नसेल, त्या पक्षाचा रंग कोणता, त्या पक्षाला पंख का बरं असतात, काही पक्षाचे पंख लहान असतात, काही पक्षाचे पंख मोठे असतात. म्हणजे अशा प्रकारचं सविस्तर वर्णन त्या पक्ष्यांचं आपण करत असतो. काही पक्षी आपण असं पाहिलं की ते काही पक्षी बोलतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल पॅरोट म्हणजे पोपट हा पक्षी बोलत असतो, पण बोलण्याच्या अगोदर तो विचार करतो का, बोलण्याच्या अगोदर तो विचार करतो का, तो विचार करत असेल तर कशा प्रकारचा विचार करत असेल, पॉझिटिव्ह करत असेल की निगेटिव्ह करत असेल, पॉझिटिव्ह करत असेल की निगेटिव्ह करत असेल, त्याची विचार करण्याची क्षमता किती, हे आपण आपल्या मनामध्ये अशा प्रकारचे वेगवेगळे प्रश्न निर्माण होत असतात. तर असाच एक पक्षी, त्या पक्ष्यांच्या मनामध्ये कोणकोणत्या प्रकारचे विचार आलेले आहेत ते आपण या कवितेच्या माध्यमातून समजून घेऊया. अवर टायटल इज दॅट व्हॉट अ बर्ड थॉट. अवर टायटल इज दॅट व्हॉट अ बर्ड थॉट. मीन्स whose thought? Bird's thought. Whose thought? Bird's thought. That bird's thought is a positive related to the world. Whose thought is a positive? Bird's thoughts positive related to the world. Who make the world first? How the world? Such type of thoughts he had describes in the poem. That poem name is that What a Bird Thought. In this poem there are the 4 stanzas. How many stanzas? 4 stanzas. But now we write here only 2 stanzas. At the first time we discuss first and second stanza. In the first stanza he had tell some experience related to the world when he was living in a little house. At the first time we read, I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. That is the first stanza. This bird said that I lived first in a little house. When I was living in a little house, that time I was very satisfied. That time I was very happy. That time I was living very well in that conditions when I was living in a little house. When I was living in a little house, that time he was living in a very happily and satisfied in that house. Then he said that the world to me was small and round. The world to me was small and round. When he was living in a little house, that time he considered that that little house is my world. His bird said that this little house is my world, and this world looks like the small and round. This world looks like the small and round and made of pale blue shell. This world is made from pale blue shell. This world is made of pale blue shell. Pale blue shell means of a light shade of blue. Of a light shade of blue. And shell means hard protecting things. Hard protecting things. आपण त्याला मराठीमध्ये शिंपले असे म्हणत असतो. This bird said that when I was living in a little house, that time I was very satisfied. Then he said that this little house is a world, and this world looks like the small and round, and this world is made from pale blue shell. Pale blue shell. In the first stanza he had described the little house related to the small world. Then he considered that this little house is our small world, and this small world looks like a round. Second stanza we discuss, I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. In the second stanza he discussed that I lived next in a little nest. At the first time he was living in a little house. In the second stanza he was living in a little nest. That is a nest. That is a bird's house. He was living in a little nest and nor needed any other things. He had no needed any other things. He have no needs of any other things. Who? Birds. Only when he was living in a little nest, that time he have no need of the any other things. I thought that the world was made of straw. This bird said that when he was living in a little nest, that time he was no need of any other things, and he considered that related to the world, this world was made of straw. This world was made of straw. Straw means a long stem central parts of plants. म्हणजे एक छोटंसं रोपटं असेल, त्या छोट्याशा रोपट्यांचा जो सेंट्रल पार्ट असतो किंवा सॉफ्ट असा पार्ट असतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? स्ट्रॉ असं म्हणतो. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी बघितलं असेल ग्रास. या ग्रास वाळल्याच्या नंतर जे सॉफ्ट तण असतात किंवा तणीस असतात, तर तो तणीसाचा भाग म्हणजे काय होतं? स्ट्रॉ. या स्ट्रॉपासून त्यांनी काय बनवलं आहे? घरटं. आणि तेच घरटं म्हणजे काय त्यांनी समजत आहे, ते आज जग समजत आहे. लिसन, I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. Covered by my mother means who gives always the protection? My mother. Means bird's mother always give the protection to her child. And covered by my mother. And covered by mother means his mother always give the protection to her child. In this way, in the second stanza, he had discussed when he was living in a little nest, that time he have no need of any other things, and he considered that he thought that the world was made of straw. The world was made of straw and covered his mother. Covered his mother every time means his mother has given the protection to him. In this way, in the first stanza, he had compared the little house to the world. In the second stanza, he had compared the little nest to the world. In this way, in the first stanza and the second stanza, he had described the experience related to the world when he was living in a little house and little nest. In this way, there are the one pair whale, and here is a shell. Whale and shell, these are the rhyming words pair. These are the rhyming words pair. Whale, shell. Pay attention here. E-double-L at the end of the word. E-double-L. Here also E-double-L means at the end of the word, both the words last pronunciation is the same. That time we call the rhyming words. At the end of the words, spelling is the same or rhythm or pronunciation is the same. That time we call the rhyming pairs. Another, here other, here mother, other mother, other mother. Here other and mother, at the end of the words both pronunciation is the same, therefore we call the rhyming pairs. Means in the first stanza there is a one rhyming pair, in the second stanza there are the second rhyming pairs. In this way, we have to discuss the first stanza and the second stanza. Another stanza we will discuss in a next point. Before 2 minutes, we discussed the first stanza and the second stanza. Now we discuss the third and fourth stanza. This is a third number stanza. This is a fourth number stanza. Before that, we discuss first and second. In the first, when he was living in a little house, that time he was very happy. The next time when he was living in a little nest, that time he have no need of any other things. Who said that? Bird said that. That is a bird thought. Whose thought? Bird thought. Now we discuss the third stanza. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. Listen. This bird said that one day I fluttered from the nest. Fluttered. That word is a fluttered. Fluttered means move quickly. Fluttered means move quickly. That is the meaning, move quickly. One day I fluttered from the nest. This bird said that one day I jumped from the nest to the another branch. Listen, fluttered means move quickly. Fluttered means move quickly. This bird was fluttered. This bird was fluttered from the nest to the another branch of the tree. Another branch of the tree. Its meaning is that at the first time he flew. At the first time he flew another branch of the tree to see what I could find. When he flew another branch of the tree, that time he found different type of things in the forest. He had found different type of things in the forest. I said the world is made of leaves. This world is made of leaves. According to this bird, he said that when I flew out of the nest, that time we consider that this world is made of leaves. This world is made of leaves because everywhere there are the different type of trees. There are the different type of trees, different type of branches also, and therefore these trees looks like the totally greenery, and everywhere there is a greenery atmosphere. Everywhere there is a greenery atmosphere, and therefore he didn't observe the different type of things in the gardens or in the forest. I have been very blind. That time I am a blind. That time I was a blind. Who said that? Bird said that. Means we didn't observe any other things. We didn't look whole world. We didn't look more out of the trees. Out of these trees. In this way, in the first stanza, he told the experience when he flew from the nest. Listen, one day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. At the first time he tried to fly out of the branches of the tree. That time he had found the different type of leaves, different type of branches, different type of trees, and then he considered that. Then he thought that this world is made of leaves. This world is made of leaves, and I have been very blind, and I was blind. We cannot see any other things in the world, and therefore we consider that this world is only made of leaves. This world is made of only leaves, not any other things. Then we discuss the fourth stanza. At last I flew beyond the tree. Beyond is the meaning of the behind. Now pay attention here. At last means finally. At last means finally. Sarte shevti. I flew beyond the tree. I flew beyond the tree. When I was flying beyond the tree or behind the tree, that time, and saw the sky so blue. That time we are observing this sky so blue. Not only white color, different type of colors are adding in the sky. Who said that? Bird said that. When he said that when he flew beyond the tree, that time he had observed the sky, otherwise no. Listen. And saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made, I cannot tell. And when he was flying in the sky, when he was flying out of the nest, when he was flying out of the little nest or little house, that time he had observed the really world. That time he had observed the really world, and then he said that I cannot tell. Last line said that I cannot tell, means I cannot tell who make the world. Who make the world, I cannot tell. How did anyone make the world, I cannot tell. Who said that? That bird said that. When he said that, when at the last time he flew beyond the tree, that time he said that I cannot tell who make the world or how did anyone make the world? No one can tell. Then he asked the question to you. Then at the last time he asked the question to you, can you tell who make the world? Can you tell who make the world, or can you tell anyone make the world? If anyone can give the answer, that time you will give that question's answer. Means who asked the question? Can you tell? Bird asked the question. Who asked the question? Bird asked the question. Its meaning is that birds also always thinking. When he thought that time he said that, can you tell the answer of that questions? Who make the world? How did anyone make the world? If anyone will give the answer, that time you will give the perfect answer of that poem. Listen, we discussed the first, third and fourth stanza. Third and fourth stanza. In the first stanza, he fluttered. Fluttered means move quickly, especially air. At the first time, he fluttered or he flew from the nest, another tree, another branches. That time he had observed the world is made of leaves. This world is made of leaves, not any other things. That time he cannot observe any other things. That time he cannot observe any other things. Only he observed only leaves. Then at the last time he said that when we flew behind the tree, when we flew behind the tree, that time this sky is so blue. This sky is so blue. And also he said that how the world is really made. When we observe the world, that time we consider that this world is made is a really thing, that things we cannot tell. That things we cannot tell. Therefore he asked the question, can you tell? Can you tell who make the world? Can you tell how did you make the world? How did anyone make the world? That if you will give the answer of that bird's question, then you will understand properly who make the world or who didn't make the world. In this way, there are the one rhyming pair, fine, blind. Fine and blind. One pair we observe here, fine and blind. Fine, I-N-D here. Here also blind, B-L-I-N-D, I-N-D. Mean at the end of the word there is I-N-D, and here also at the end of the word there is an I-N-D. Means both the words last pronunciation is the same. Both the words last pronunciation is the same. Therefore we call the rhyming pairs. That is the third rhyming pairs. We discussed the fourth rhyming pairs. Blue, U. Blue, U. Here spelling is a different. B-L-U-E, blue. Here Y-O-U, U. But both the words pronunciation is the same. Both the words pronunciation is the same. Then we call this is a rhyming pair. In this way, in the fourth stanza, this is a rhyming word. Third stanza, this is a rhyming word. In this way, we have to describe, or in this way, we have to four rhyming pairs we will find in this poem. The third stanza and the fourth stanza means first, second, third and fourth stanza we discussed. In the first stanza, when he was a little in a little house, that time he was satisfied, that time he was very, very happy. And this world is made from the small things. The second we discussed, when he was living in a little nest, that time this world is made from this straw. He have no need of any other things. Then we discussed in the third stanza, when he was fluttered from the nest, from the another trees, another branches, that time he had found different type of things. That things is that this world is made of the leaves. Then he considered that at the last time, when he flew beyond the tree, that time he was flying in the sky. This sky is just totally blue, and this blue color world, at the last time he said that this blue color sky or world is made from this world is really made. I cannot tell. I cannot tell who who made this world, or how did anyone make the world. If at the last time he asked the question, can you tell who make the world, or can you tell how did you will make the world, if anyone will give the answer of that questions, then these bird thoughts you will understand properly. In this way we discuss the first, second and third and fourth stanza related to the bird's thoughts. Thank you so very much. Yes, we discussed the first, second, third and fourth stanza. Now we will discuss things to do, means it's an exercise. First exercise, explain the first, second, third, fourth stanza in your words. Means there are the four stanza, write down the first stanza, then we write the second stanza, then third and fourth stanza. You will explain in your words. At the first time you will write the first stanza, then you will explain. After that you will write the second stanza, then you will explain. Then you will write the third stanza, then you will explain. Then we write the fourth stanza, then you will explain. If you are explain, that time you will write that according to the birds or according to poet. You will write down. Then second question, find and list the rhyming words from the poem. In this poem there are the four rhyming pairs. That four rhyming pairs we will explain. These four rhyming pairs you will write. Another rhyming pairs you will find and write down. Then learn and recite the poem. You will learn this poem and recite this poem. Then second, describe the following in one or two lines. Describe the following in one or two lines. First you will read properly and understand, then you will find the one or two lines from this poem. The first little house of the bird. The first little house of the bird. You will read the first stanza, then find the two lines. Then second, the nest. This nest, these words you will find the second stanza, they write the one line. After that, the world around the bird's nest. The world around the bird's nest. These lines you will find in the third stanza. After that, fourth, imagine the following and write about each in your words. You will imagine first about this baby, about the fish, and then write the explanation related to the word according to the baby and fish. Then first, what the world looks like to a baby. म्हणजे एका छोट्याशा बाळासाठी जग कसं दिसतं ते तुम्हाला तुमच्या शब्दामध्ये लिहायचं आहे. कोणतंही छोटंसं बाळ म्हटलं की ते फक्त घरामध्येच राहतात, चार भिंतीच्या आतमध्येच राहतं आणि चार भिंतीच्या आतमध्ये असताना त्याला ते जग कसं वाटत असेल ते एक्सपिरियन्स, ते अनुभव तुम्हाला तुमच्या शब्दामध्ये लिहायचे आहे. देन व्हॉट द वर्ल्ड लुक्स लाईक फिश. व्हॉट द वर्ल्ड लुक्स लाईक फिश. जे मासोळी, मासा पाण्यामध्ये राहत असतो, त्या पाण्यामध्ये राहणाऱ्या माशाला जग कसं असतील ते अनुभव तुम्हाला तुमच्या शब्दामध्ये लिहायचे आहे. अकॉर्डिंग टू द बेबी अँड अकॉर्डिंग टू द फिश, हाऊ द वर्ल्ड लुक्स लाईक फॉर बेबी अँड फिश. that experience you will write in your notebooks or books. In this way we have to describe or we have to do learn things to do. That is an exercise. In this way we learn our poem that name was the What a Bird Thought. We explain the first, second, third and fourth stanza. Then we write the exercise and explain also. You will do all these exercise, all these questions answer. If you will get some questions, then you will tell me or you will ask me. Thank you so very much.